The average investor, by definition, does not need alternative assets in their portfolio. I'm not saying it's going to hurt
black
them.
and white.
I'm not saying that it's going to hurt them if they have it. I'm saying they don't actually need it. My evidence is the last, 100 years they haven't had access to it. We have trillions of dollars in 401k balances. And in many cases, individual investors have substantially outperformed professional investors, mostly because they kept costs low, they kept it simple, and by owning a broad index of stock market exposure, they end up owning the biggest winning stocks because those are the ones that become the largest components of the index. It's a pretty tough thing to beat. Most alternative strategies can't. Institutions use alternative strategies because they are looking to diversify their risk, or they're looking for alpha in other areas of the market, and things that just are not applicable to the average investor. Should the high net worth investor be looking at alternatives? Absolutely. But if you're looking for alternative investments in a 401k, there's just absolutely no chance you're going to get the best managers, the best funds. And even if you do, you're going to pay through the nose for it because you don't have the buying power for somebody to look at you and say, we can reduce the fees for this strategy for this investor. You are not the sovereign wealth fund of Norway. You will not be treated that way. So it's unnecessary. I know it's the biggest honeypot in the world. I know why all the private equity giants want that 401k to be open because it's just a whole new pool of capital that they can use for their investing strategies. They can use for exit liquidity. They can charge fees on. And I wish everybody well. No hate. And some of these strategies might work out fine. But the question of need, like, do we need access to somebody with a six-figure portfolio need alternatives? Of course not. The question is not the question. The question is why all of a sudden are we putting these things into 401ks? And I think we all know the answer is money.